Hey there, travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to dive into: your first international flight, mastering the journey. Whether you're a novice explorer or a seasoned traveler looking for some extra tips, this video is for you. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Before you jet off to foreign lands, there are a few essential steps you need to nail down. First, make a checklist of everything you need to pack, from clothes to chargers. And speaking of essentials, don't forget your passport, visas, and any required travel documents. Now let's talk bookings. When it comes to flights, timing is everything. Booking in advance often gets you the best deals. And for accommodations, choose a place that's conveniently located and suits your budget. Research is key. Navigating airports might seem daunting, but fear not. Follow the signs, and if you're unsure, don't hesitate to ask airport staff. Remember to arrive well in advance to breeze through security checks without stress. Time to talk in-flight essentials. Pack a carry-on with items like a neck pillow, headphones, entertainment, snacks, and a water bottle. Staying comfortable and hydrated is a must for a smooth journey. Jet lag is real, folks. To combat it, adjust your sleep schedule a few days before departure. During the flight, stay hydrated, avoid excessive caffeine or alcohol, and get some rest to hit the ground running. One of the best parts of international travel is experiencing new cultures. Do your research on local customs, etiquette, and even a few basic phrases in the local language. It's a fantastic way to connect with locals and show your respect. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for: exploring your destination. Embrace every moment, from trying new foods to visiting iconic landmarks. And don't forget to capture those memories through photos and videos. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, your guide to acing your first international flight. Remember, every journey begins with that first step onto the plane. So stay excited, stay curious, and get ready to create unforgettable memories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Safe travels, and until next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for more travel tips, destination guides, and exciting adventures. See you in the next video.